So right now I have my glove on, my glass suit on, okay, very important, okay. PPE first, okay, everything is on, okay. Right now I put the pan pot here, the pan, on top of my cooking area, okay. My range hood, okay, you turn on the fan, okay. It will suck all the fumes from the lye mix up, out, okay. If you do this indoor, okay. Usually people would do it outdoor, away from the wind, okay. Okay. And you need something to mix it, okay. For me, I use but some people recommend stainless steel scoop, okay, something like that, spoon, okay. This is what I have. It will burn later on, burn this stuff, but it's right, it will last me, okay. So first thing you do is water in first, okay. Water in, okay. Water in first, okay. Depends on how much you want, but water always in first, okay. Then the lye go in slowly, okay. So I still have this covered, okay. So it will get a lot of fumes up a little bit, okay. So safety wise, gloves, goggles, okay. And since you do this indoor, right, make sure you have the fan and the range hood on, turn on, okay. Okay. Okay, it will suck out the fumes, okay. Now, I'm gonna open this and show you guys later, okay. I'll probably do a fast track. Okay, slowly pull it in. Make sure you turn on the now pour in slowly. Stir. See, it's cloudy. Pour in more. When you do this, right, make sure you have full attention. Dogs, cat, all away from the kitchen. Keep stirring, be patient. Make sure you absolutely sure that you dissolve everything. Very important. See, my hand is here, but my face is away, okay? I don't go sniffing this stuff, okay? I'm behind the camera right now, probably around like half a meter away, arm length away from the pot. Very safe, okay? Let me then finish this first, and I'll show you the temperature. The temperature probably right now probably very hot, around 80. But I'll put this right. Make sure you put in water straight away in your sink. (71°C). Okay, very hot. 72. Okay, keep stirring. Now, to cool it down straight away, right? That's why you will have the bath. Okay, some people leave it here like this and let the temperature cool down before they make soap. But it depends on what you want to do. Okay, you can actually fasten this up by doing 70%. Okay, what you do is you do a bath. You do a water bath. Mix in the ice. Okay. 22. Ice -5. So what you do is you put your pot in. Still have the fan running. Okay, and you let it sit there. You still continue to stir, and you will cool down the lye solution. Okay. Right now it's going down to 55. Okay. That's why we use a. Okay, let me go down. That's why we use a stainless steel pot. Okay. So we can cool down the lye temperature. Okay. So very safe. Okay. Temperature 56. Okay, 55. Slowly cool down. Okay. What you want to do is cool it down to 37°C or 100° Fahrenheit. Okay, that's the temperature that you aim for. Okay. The oil. Right now, the oil I haven't mixed in yet. The oil is 21°, room temperature. Okay. Okay. Go on to the next step now. Okay. So that's your lye safety wise. You can cool it down. Okay. To around 37, 41. Probably somewhere. If it's cooled down to 30°, doesn't matter. Okay, 47. Okay. Now let me talk about the oil. Okay. Move this aside.